Okay, today we're just gonna do a real simple oil change on the 2013 Honda CRV. It's gonna be a real quick video. I'll show you the highlights. Here we go. Okay, I always like to just pop the oil cap off before I start. I like to put it there because that way I'll never forget it. I'll check that before we start. That helps me understand how much oil I might be burning or leaking in between changes. Okay, so now I'm underneath it, and this camera angle is looking forward towards the front bumper. Okay, so I'm all the way underneath. So the bolt you have right here, this is your drain plug right there. That's a 17 mil head, and then right above is your oil filter. There's a cover here also that my vehicle never had on when I bought it. It covers this section here. You'll have to pull that cover off. There's a couple of spots where bolts go in to remove that panel. If you have that panel, I'd recommend keeping it. It does help keep debris out of there, and actually it does help with fuel efficiency to a certain extent because it reduces drag underneath the car. But I mean, I think a lot of people take them off because they're just annoying. But that's the stuff you need right there. 17 mil drain plug. Pull the oil filter off. Let me show you a couple tools I like to use for those oil filters. Okay, so this tool here is what I like to call the claw. It works on smaller filters like on this Honda, and it has an adjustable size here. Okay, and it goes right onto your ratchet. Okay, so usually what you have to do is you have to put the ratchet in forward or tightening mode, press it onto the filter, turn this to the right a little. See how it opens when you turn it to the right? And then when you switch your ratchet and you want to turn it to the left to loosen it, these actually tighten. They actually squeeze tighter as you turn it to the left. So these are really, really helpful. You don't always have room for this though. So a set of pliers like this is also real helpful. This is a type that also adjusts to the size of the filter. This will do a little bit larger filter though, but you can just grab the filter real tight. You got teeth on there, and you can get the pressure and torque you need to slide that thing off. So I think that's all that's really needed, just to give you a couple pointers on this car. So good luck. Thanks for watching.